For this project, you'll need 6 items: 2 sheets of cardstock, 35 paint chips, a hole puncher, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and a 16 by 20 acrylic picture frame. To the right of the screen is a list of supplies and where you can buy them. Most of the items I purchased at a discount or already owned, which lowered my total cost to only $9.50. I recommend shopping at Michael's for higher priced items such as the acrylic picture frame. This store typically always has a sale, and the last time I shopped there, all of my items were 50% off. Now that you know what supplies you need, let's begin the tutorial. Step 1. Create a layout. Organize your layout based on what you want to include in your calendar. For example, I designed my calendar around goal setting. One of my calendar must-haves was a space to write my monthly goals. On the right side of my calendar, I outlined an area for that section. Step 2. Cut your cardstock into the shape of your outlines. It's best to start with your titles and then cut out your text boxes. I layered my cardstock with a gold accent underneath. However, this is my preference, so don't be afraid to be as creative as you want. Personalize your calendar to fit your taste and needs. Step 3. Write your titles for the days of the week and your sections. For example, I wrote the titles for my monthly goals and notes. Leave your month of the year section blank. Step 4. Cut your paint chips to fit the size of your calendar squares. The paint chips are fairly thick, so you may have to cut each square out individually. I recommend tracing the outline of one square onto copy paper or notebook paper and using that cutout as a template so that all of your squares are the same size. Step 5. Hole punch the upper right-hand corner of your paint chip square. This space will be used to write your dates. If you are using multiple colors, then organize your colors before gluing down your squares. Step 6. Glue your paint chip squares to the calendar. Step 7. Erase outline marks and make adjustments as needed. If everything on your calendar looks good to you, then add your top frame and your border back. And the final step is to write out the month and fill in your dates. This calendar can hang on a wall with a command strip, or if you're still feeling crafty, you can hot glue gun a small magnet to the inside of your frame to hang the calendar on your refrigerator. Until next time, let's chat in the comments.